My top focus on 7:30 this evening.
Co-powered by DP World, always delivers. In association with Kirloskar, enriching lives.
Good evening, you're watching To The Point. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. The incident of what happened in Hathras evoked a sea of emotions in most of us. Anger, most of us extremely sad, heartbreak. And then what we saw was abject brazenness by an administration of the state. And now, in midst of all of that, there's been a stunning twist. And that twist comes with the UP police now going on record and actually going on the defensive to say that the girl was not raped. They're armed. They have evidence, they say, in the form of an FSL report which has ruled out rape. But that FSL report was done 14 days after the girl allegedly was raped. But forget about everything. The dying declaration of the girl recorded on the 22nd September says she was gang raped. Despite of all of that, the UP police says she wasn't. There was outrage, there was heartbreak, there was abject brazenness and apathy. And now there's a stunning twist. The Uttar Pradesh police, armed with the FSL report of the Hathras victim, says there was no rape, that she was never gang raped.
During postmortem also, that clearly shows that there is no injury on the private parts of the victim. Hence, the rape was not committed.
The autopsy report has ruled out rape and found no evidence of sexual assault. The autopsy conducted at Delhi Safdarjung Hospital, where the assault victim breathed her last. The report says that no abnormality or fresh scars have been found in the vaginal tract or in the pelvic area. The autopsy says that cause of death is blunt trauma to the cervical spine, and the finding is subjected to viscera findings. UP ADG Law and Order Prashant Kumar says that no sperm was found in FSL report, and also hinted that there was conspiracy to create tension in the state.
FSL report from Agra has come, which clearly shows that there has been no sperm is found on the collected samples.
However, there are many loopholes in the UP police's no rape theory. The biggest, the dying declaration of the girl herself.
कब एक बार और रेप करने की कोशिश की थी पहले? अच्छा, इससे पहले रेप करने की कोशिश की थी? उस दिन जिस दिन आपकी चोट लगी है उस दिन रेप हुआ है? अच्छा, दोनों ने किया था, कोई और भी था?
वो दोनों थे, पर बाकी सब भाग गए थे।
अच्छा, बाकी सब भाग गए थे।
Many questions emerge at the back of UP government's no rape charge. The victim's dying declaration says she was gang raped. Isn't that admissible evidence? The UP Chief Minister has assured the victim's family that rape charge on accused will stay. Presence of semen is not the only proof. Latest definition of rape includes all kinds of penetration. The victim's family still says she was raped and left for dead. While politics has exploded over the story,
144 कहता है पब्लिक असेंबली। मैं पब्लिक असेंबली नहीं करना चाहता हूं, मैं अकेला पैदल यहां से हाथरस जाना चाहता हूं। किस बेसिस पे आप मुझे गिरफ्तार कर रहे हैं, ये मुझे बता दीजिए।
the last conversation between the district magistrate and the girl's father was this.
आप अपनी विश्वसनीयता खत्म मत करिए। तो मीडिया वाले मैं आपको बता दूं, आज अभी आधे चले गए, कल सुबह तक आधे और निकल जाएंगे, 2-4 बचेंगे कल रात तो हम ही आपके साथ खड़े हैं। अब आपकी इच्छा, आपको बार-बार बयान बदलना नहीं बदलना है, अभी हम भी बदल जाए कि नहीं।
Is this support or threat? We leave it for our viewers to decide, or even the fact if she was raped or not. Bureau Report, India Today.
पहले
All right. So the UP police now says that she was never raped in the first place. Having said that, yesterday, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, in a 5-minute video conference with the father of the victim, said very clearly that the charges of rape will hold. So which one is it? Is Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister, giving an assurance that the charges of rape will hold, stay? Or now what the ADG says, the Law and Order ADG of Uttar Pradesh, that there was no rape, will that stay? I have with me right now Shama Mohammed, Congress spokesperson. In a short while, I'll be joined by Manish Shukla, Uttar Pradesh BJP spokesperson. We'd also have in the show in just about a minute Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhim Army chief. Shama, till now, there seemed to be, you have the dying declaration of the girl, even if it wasn't recorded in front of a magistrate, as per the Verma Commission, that if a girl in her dying declaration says she was raped, it has to be taken for. Now there's a stunning twist. The UP police, with an FSL report, which was filed only 14 days after the incident, says she was never raped in the first place.
What we are seeing over here clearly says that there is going to be a cover-up, from many things. At midnight, she was cremated. Let's not forget, her parents were not allowed to see her. Let's not forget that. That's what every parent wants. Then you yourself showed a video of where the DM is threatening that, the media will leave, but we will be there. Means you can change your statement. You yourself showed it. Number two, very important, is this ADG. I think he's a shameless man. He comes out and says, there is no penetration in the vagina. There is no semen. How dare? One is the dying declaration. The other one is what the Verma Commission says. Third is that IPC section 375 was amended in 2013, and there is a Supreme Court judgment which says that even if there is an attempt, it is rape, even the penetration or not. So this is the thing. This is very important, and I don't know why the statement's been changing. From the beginning, from the Aligarh hospital itself, this is what came out. Gang rape, it's all over. So what I'm trying to see now is that they are trying to do a cover-up here. They do not want to show that it's been a rape. They want to cover up. That's why they did not allow Rahul ji and Priyanka ji today to go up till there, to visit the family. The family is upset. They have made it a fortress. Hathras is a fortress. Nobody can enter there. What is this? I mean, their daughter has been raped. She has passed away. They're undergoing, her spinal cord was broken. Her tongue was cut. They're undergoing so many emotions. And we, the opposition, just want to meet them and console them. For that, the government of UP is not allowing. What does it show? What does it say? That means there is a cover-up happening. And who does the police come under? The Home Minister, that is Yogi Adityanath. He has to resign right now because he is the one who was in post section 144. Everything is done by him to prevent from people from knowing the truth, what is happening there.
Okay.
This is what is worrying us. This is the thing. Everything is on television. Your own reporters showed how the cremation happened. Why did they cremate her at midnight? Is that the Hindu custom to cremate a girl at midnight? It is never done. It's done in the morning. On whose orders did they do it? Of course, from Yogi Adityanath. The orders from, if they had the audacity to do it, if the DM had the audacity to come saying, lying that, her relatives were there, all those lies, when your own reporter, shown the truth, the audacity comes from the top when they have got permission from Yogi Adityanath to go this. There is Gunda Raj in UP. We know what his record is before he became the CM. He was a criminal.
All right. Okay. Shama, I'm going to just stay with me. I'm going to just cut across because the Uttar Pradesh police, there is an FSL report, and we just want to put it out there that yes, the forensic or the FSL report says that she wasn't raped. The FSL report picks up semen, it picks up abrasions at the private parts, and the semen or even abrasions were said to be old, and there was no semen that was found. We want to just put it out there. This FSL report was taken 14 days after the girl was assaulted. Whether it was sexual or not, she has said very clearly in her dying declaration that she was gang raped. Listen in to what the girl said.
कब एक बार और रेप करने की कोशिश की थी पहले? अच्छा, इससे पहले रेप करने की कोशिश की थी? उस दिन जिस दिन आपकी चोट लगी है उस दिन रेप हुआ है? अच्छा, दोनों ने किया था, कोई और भी था?
और बाकी सब भाग गए थे।
अच्छा, बाकी सब भाग गए थे।
मम्मी को देखते ही
आप अपनी विश्वसनीयता खत्म मत करिए। तो मीडिया वाले मैं आपको बता दूं, आज अभी आधे चले गए, कल सुबह तक आधे और निकल जाएंगे, 2-4 बचेंगे कल रात को, तो हम ही आपके साथ खड़े हैं। अब आपकी इच्छा, आपको बार बार बयान बदलना नहीं बदलना है, अभी हम भी बदल जाए।
All right, what you just heard then, first what you heard was the victim in her dying declaration clearly stating that they had tried to rape her before and this time they did succeed. This is her dying declaration, even though she might not have said it in front of, a magistrate. It's still admissible evidence as per the Verma report. Having said that, on the other hand, you just heard the DM. Clearly, what seems to be a threat that change your statement or else you have to live with us, the media will go. There's news break coming in on that. Listen in. All right, so news break coming in. India Today has questioned the Hathras district magistrate who has evaded India Today's questions. He was caught on camera earlier today, clearly issuing a threat to the family. Listen in.
सर आप मुझे बोल दीजिए, आपका एक स्टेटमेंट आया है फैमिली से बात करते हुए, सर मतलब सर आपका फैमिली को एक स्टेटमेंट आया है, आप फैमिली को बोल रहे हैं कि ये मीडिया तो चली जाएगी, फिर हम ही लोग यहाँ रहेंगे, आप ट्रबल में आ जाएंगे अगर आप लोगों ने स्टेटमेंट बदला। तो सर आप इस तरीके से क्यों इंटिमिडेट कर रहे हैं फैमिली को? आप फिर मीडिया से भी बात नहीं कर रहे सर, हम किस तरीके से पूछेंगे आपसे फिर सवाल सर? आप बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं सर हमसे। आप आराम से एक बार हमको सबको, चाहे रिपोर्टर्स को बुलाइए, आप बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप फैमिली को जाके इंटिमिडेट भी कर रहे हैं सर। इतनी ऑलरेडी गरीब फैमिली है, डरी हुई है, उनकी बेटी इस ऐसा हुआ है, इन्वेस्टिगेट हो रहा है, इतना खराब उनके साथ इंसिडेंट हुआ है, आप लोग के ऑफिशियल्स ने मेरे खुद के सामने बिना बताए फैमिली का कंसेंट लिए बॉडी भी जला दिया। उसके बाद सर आप जाके इंटिमिडेट कर रहे हैं आज कि मीडिया तो कल चला जाएगा, फिर हम ही लोग हैं ट्रबल में आ जाएंगे। आप बूढ़े माँ बाप को ये बोल रहे हैं सर, तो आपने क्यों बोला? आप डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट है सर, इस तरीके का क्या स्टेटमेंट्स आपको क्या शोभा देता है सर? आप बताइए मुझे, आपने ये
What you just heard was my colleague Tanushree confronting the district magistrate, refusing to answer any questions. What I'm going to do is, once again I'm going to play what the DM this morning itself said to the father. It's only after that my colleague confronted him. Listen into what he said to the father.
आप अपनी विश्वसनीयता खत्म मत करिए। तो मीडिया वाले मैं आपको बता दूं, आज अभी आधे चले गए, कल सुबह तक आधे और निकल जाएंगे, 2-4 बचेंगे कल रात को, तो हम ही आपके साथ खड़े हैं। अब आपकी इच्छा, आपको बार बार बयान बदलना नहीं बदलना है, अभी हम भी बदल जाए कि नहीं हम।
All right, so it was only after that where you have the district magistrate of Hathras, clearly what seems to be a threat, where the father is concerned, saying you have to live with us, the media is going to go. After that, my colleague Tanushree Pandey went and confronted the district magistrate. You know, she's asking one question after the other, and I just want to, because this is brazenness. You've been caught on camera threatening the father, and this is how you behave. Once again, listen in.
सिर्फ इतना सा सर आप मुझे बोल दीजिए, आपका एक स्टेटमेंट आया है फैमिली से बात करते हुए, सर मतलब सर आपका फैमिली को एक स्टेटमेंट आया है, आप फैमिली को बोल रहे हैं कि ये मीडिया तो चली जाएगी, फिर हम ही लोग यहाँ रहेंगे, आप ट्रबल में आ जाएंगे अगर आप लोगों ने स्टेटमेंट बदला। तो सर आप इस तरीके से क्यों इंटिमिडेट कर रहे हैं फैमिली को? आप फिर मीडिया से भी बात नहीं कर रहे सर, हम किस तरीके से पूछेंगे आपसे फिर सवाल सर? आप बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं सर हमसे। आप आराम से एक बार हमको सबको, चाहे रिपोर्टर्स को बुलाइए, आप बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप फैमिली को जाके इंटिमिडेट भी कर रहे हैं सर। इतनी ऑलरेडी गरीब फैमिली है, डरी हुई है, उनकी बेटी इस ऐसा हुआ है, इन्वेस्टिगेट हो रहा है, इतना खराब उनके साथ इंसिडेंट हुआ है, आप लोग के ऑफिशियल्स ने मेरे खुद के सामने।
Okay, with Shama Mohammed, I also have right now, we've got our guests a little late this evening. I have Manish Shukla, Uttar Pradesh BJP spokesperson. Mr. Shukla, let's come down to the issue of rape, where you have the dying declaration of the girl where she says she was gang raped, number one. Number two, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister yesterday has told the father very clearly that the rape charges will hold. Number three, the entire definition of rape, sir, has completely changed. It doesn't really mean penetrative sex only where semen is concerned. Number four, the FSL report that the UP police is talking about, citing there is no rape, happened at least 12 to 14 days after the incident.
देखिए, पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट के आधार पे एडीजी एलओ उत्तर प्रदेश ने उक्त बातों को कहा है, लेकिन हमारी सरकार संवेदनशील सरकार है, महिलाओं के प्रति, अपराध के प्रति संवेदनशील और गंभीर सरकार है। इसलिए जो परिवार ने घटना के 8 दिन बाद जो बयान दिए कि एक नहीं 3 थे और गैंगरेप भी हुआ था, उसके आधार पे एफआईआर दर्ज कर ली गई है। अब मामला एफआईआर दर्ज करके फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में हम ले जाएंगे और न्यायालय को ये तय करना होगा कि जो बातें हैं वो किन किन बातों में सच्चाई है, किन किन बातों में सच्चाई नहीं है। इसलिए कि हमारा स्पष्ट ये मानना है कि अगर कोई महिला या उसके परिवार का व्यक्ति इस तरह की बात कह रहा है तो उसकी बात को माना जाना चाहिए। आगे इन्वेस्टिगेशन के पार्ट पे
सर, आप कह रहे हैं, शुक्ला साहब, आप कह रहे हैं कि परिवार को माना जाना, अगर परिवार कह रहा है, महिला कह रही है, उसकी डाइंग डिक्लेरेशन में साफ है, वही कह रही है, पर जो आपके एडीजी हैं उन्होंने तो साफ आके हमारे चैनल पे बोला है कि रेप तो हुआ ही नहीं है।
नहीं, मैं 2 बातें कहना चाहता हूं, प्लीज मुझको समय दीजिएगा। देखिए, एडीजी एलओ का जो बयान है वो पोस्टमार्टम और विधि विज्ञान प्रयोगशाला की जो रिपोर्ट आई है, इसके अतिरिक्त 14 सितंबर को थाने के अंदर मृतिका, जो पीड़िता मृतिका है और उसकी मदर की जो वीडियोस हैं उसके आधार पे कहा है। और एक बात मैं और कहना चाहता हूं, देखिए बात चूंकि आगे जब ये मुकदमा चलेगा, जब फैक्ट्स के आधार पे ही बातें होंगी, मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि देखिए कई तरह की बातें, कई तरह के वीडियोस और कई पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के लोगों ने इसको राजनीतिकरण करने का प्रयास किया है। अभी एक मैडम आपके साथ बैठी है कांग्रेस की, उनको वो लगातार, जबकि कांग्रेस नाटक करने वाली पार्टी है। आज
सर चलिए, अगर आप कांग्रेस की बात करें, मैं शमा को भी ले आती हूँ इसमें। मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रही हूँ, अगर सेक्शन 144 होता है तो एक आदमी तो जा सकता है ना? अगर राहुल गांधी अकेले जाना चाह रहे थे तो क्यों रोके गए?
नहीं, 2 बातें मैं कहना चाहूंगा। एक तो कांग्रेस का ये प्रोपोगेंडा जो आज राहुल गांधी ने किया है बहुत शेमफुल है, इसलिए कि अचानक वो पक्की सड़क से चलते चलते किनारे जाते हैं और मिट्टी पे गिर जाते हैं, गिरते की फोटो आ जाती है। तो ये सीधे दिखता है कि ये उस लड़की की आड़ में उस मृतक।
सर बस ये बात बताइए, सर ये बात बताइए, सेक्शन 144 का मतलब क्या होता है? क्या होता है कि एक आदमी चल के नहीं जा सकता?
नहीं, उनके साथ 500 लोग जा रहे हैं।
उन्होंने साफ बोला है कि मैं अकेला चल के जाऊंगा, मुझे जाने दीजिए।
नहीं, वो
Okay, I just want to one second. I just want to cut across to Chandrasekhar Azad. I have the Bhim Army Chief with me right now. चंद्रशेखर जी, उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस अब ये कह रही है कि रेप हुआ ही नहीं।
फांसी दो।
चंद्रशेखर जी, उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस कह रही है कि रेप हुआ ही नहीं, पीड़ित के साथ रेप नहीं हुआ।
नहीं आ रही,
आपको आवाज आ रही है चंद्रशेखर जी? चंद्रशेखर जी, आवाज आ रही है आपको?
हेलो,
आपको आवाज आ रही है?
नहीं आ रही है।
All right, we seem to have lost that connection. Chandrasekhar Azad is at a protest. Shama, you want to come in on this? You want to weigh in on this with what Mr. Shukla is saying?
You know, Mr. Shukla is really shameful. Here we are going to meet the victims' parents who have been cordoned off. That area is completely cordoned off. On what basis is the section 144? Are they carrying any weapons? Is there any violence? And Rahul clearly says that he is going to go alone by himself. And he's being pushed by the police.
आपको शर्म नहीं आती?
Can we go one by one? एक second, can I get Shama and I'll go back to him.
झूठे आरोप लगाते हैं।
Shama, quickly make your point. I'll go back to him.
Yeah, because there was a lot of noise coming.
Can I just get Shama Mohammed? Yes, Shama, make your point.
What I'm trying to say is that why the cremation, I want to ask him at night, midnight, all of a sudden, why is it a fortress? When a rape, the FIR took 8 days. Let him know that. She says in a dying declaration she's been raped. The ADG is saying it is not a rape. I mean, look at the discrepancies. You went and asked
the Hathras DM. What did he say at that? Why did he threaten them? He doesn't have an answer.
Right.
That means these orders are coming from the Home Minister.
All right. I want to get a quick comment by...
He has to resign.
Shama, I want to get a quick comment by Manish Shukla. शुक्ला जी जो आप अभी कह रहे थे, चलिए मैं फिर से वही एक आखिरी सवाल ही पूछूंगी शुक्ला जी. सेक्शन 140. All right, okay, I'm sorry, I need to go once to Chandrasekhar Azad. चंद्रशेखर जी, आवाज आ रही है आपको मेरी?
जी आ रही है.
चंद्रशेखर जी, उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस कह रही है कि रेप हुआ ही नहीं, लड़की का रेप नहीं हुआ.
देखिए, उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस ने एविडेंस छिपाने के लिए जो करना था वो कर दिया है. अब पीड़िता ना जिंदा है ना सब उसका हमारे पास है. तो उन्होंने जो करना था अपराधियों को बचाने के लिए वो कर दिया है. लेकिन ऐसे अन्याय जो है वो नहीं होगा. उत्तर प्रदेश में लोकतंत्र है, हम लोग उसकी आवाज उठा रहे हैं. मैंने इसलिए कहा था कि सीबीआई जांच होनी चाहिए. पहले तो वो लड़की जो है पीड़िता हमारी बहन, उसकी हत्या की गई है, उसकी जान नहीं गई है. यहाँ सफदरजंग लाके उसकी हत्या करवाई गई है. इसकी सीबीआई जांच जब तक नहीं होगी नहीं पता लगेगा कुछ भी.
जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट हैं चंद्रशेखर जी, आप एक प्रोटेस्ट पे हूँ, मैं अपने पीसीआर को बोलती हूँ थोड़ा फुल फ्रेम काटे जरा. जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट हैं चंद्रशेखर जी, उन्होंने आज फैमिली को कहा है मीडिया चली जाएगी, सब चले जाएंगे, रह तो हम ही जाएंगे, जीना हमारे साथ है.
दोबारा बताइए, मुझे सुनाई नहीं.
जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट हैं चंद्रशेखर जी, उन्होंने आज फैमिली जो फादर है विक्टिम के, उन्हें कहा है कि सब चले जाएंगे, आपको रहना तो हमारे साथ ही है, आप बयान बदलें.
कट गया दोबारा, कमाल का.
All right, okay, we seem to have lost Chandrasekhar Azad. We're going to try and connect. But with that, I would reckon we're going to wrap up this show. We are running horribly over time. Appreciate you joining us, both Shama and Mr. Shukla. Mr. Shukla, I wish we'd had you earlier. We got you quite late in the debate. However, the question still remains and we leave it for our viewers to decide. There is a dying declaration of a girl who says she was gang raped. The FSL report was filed 14 days after this girl was assaulted. On the other hand, you have a dying declaration. Alongside, the Chief Minister has told the family that the rape charge will stay. The ADG, Law and Order of the State, says no rape. With that, it's a quick break. On the other side is Rahul Kamal.